Have you ever been on a trip that just kind of beats the crap out of you? This was definitely one of those trips that did not go as planned at all. We lost most of our food, smashed into rocks, we got hurt. Needless to say, the morale of the trip was definitely pretty low. It's really important to plan ahead, especially on longer trips. Make sure you have an exit plan for primitive adventures like this one.
Verde River, you ever been there?
Nah, it's my first time, dude.
It's a good time.
Just tying down your bro. So our journey just started, and we find ourselves searching for Ethan's phone
And my sunglasses.
and Dylan's sunglasses. I don't think we're gonna find his sunglasses, but we do have Find Your iPhone app. Basically, what happened was we came down over there, and Ethan's boat came in behind our boat and flipped upside down. The adventure just started. And run over him. That's a pelvis. I'm telling you, bro, this place is savage. Dude, we saw a bunch of carp. I don't know if you've seen them. There's some right there in those tulies right there. See them, Dylan? Moving. 100%, dude. We already saw a bunch of carp.
A combat photographer. This is actually a real fucking joke.
I didn't even figure out where you were. Maybe go help him hold it so you can jump in.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, get in.
Yep, hurt my ass.
You look like Captain. You're doing the Captain Morgan again, bro. That's an eater too. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Crawdads, bro. He's eating red crawdads. Not letting him go though. All right. I'm gonna cast this little shoreline one more time and then we'll get paddling. No. Don't break anything.
My guy.
I see it. Ah! Lean to the right. Lean to the left. Go to that paddle. Oh, we lost the paddle. Go get that paddle. I got the boat. That's why I said get that one, because we need it now, because this one snapped in half. Everything hurts.
I fell out and
Like I'm just saying.
I kneecapped all the rocks.
Is it like that bad?
Good luck! I'm going to rock! Check on little meat over here. The boy's fucking baby.
Broke though.
Bro.
Maybe we could paracord it together. I kind of want to like just go to camp now and just sleep for 17 hours.
Just go home. Go to the camp.
We got 15 miles to paddle, so
Space.
I do need to save space right now. Hold on.
My cameras were all pretty much dead right after this rapid, so I couldn't record much more of the trip. My solar charger fell in the river twice, so I had no means of charging my GoPros. The next morning we decided to leave early. We didn't really want to float 2 extra days with only 15 Cliff Bars and a bag of trail mix between 3 people.